All right, guys, it's been raining a lot this month, so I'm gonna go check the rain gauge. It rained this morning. I'm gonna go check the pond, give you a pond update. Got the rain gauge right here on the chicken run. Looks like half an inch this morning. We're gonna go ahead and let these chickens out so they can eat the grasshoppers. There they go. All right, next up, we're gonna go check out the pond. Last time I checked it, it was about 1.5 feet or a foot until the overflow pipe. It's really exciting to have it filled up again. So let's go check it out. Well, there it is. It's pretty much full. I've been jumping in it about every day to go swimming. So has the dog. He likes to swim. It's probably about a foot until it's all the way full. Overflow is right in that tree. There goes the dog swimming. I'll probably jump in at the end of the day when I'm all hot from working outside. I need to get the solar well set back up. This is going to be the stand for the solar panels to get them off the ground and at the proper angle for the solar well pump. All right, that's it. That's the pond update.